Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about three stocks that have a huge amount of Chinese exposure, which means that they are more likely to be affected by the macroeconomic conditions in China than with the macroeconomic conditions in India. So the purpose of this video is not to tell you that these stocks are good or bad, but to equip you with the right understanding of how the stock prices will move if the information in China is good or bad. So let us take a look at these three stocks. The first of them is Tata Motors, which is a current market price of 290 rupees. Now Tata Motors is an automobile manufacturer which manufactures cars, buses, trucks, sports cars and even military equipments. Now, if you look at the revenue mix for Tata Motors, which means that what is the kind of revenue that Tata Motors is making from the sales of each of its components. So Jaguar Land Rover accounts for 81% of its total revenue, which means if they're making 100 rupees in total, 81 of this is on account of the sales of Jaguar Land Rover. Now that's a classic case of putting all your eggs in one basket. Now the reason that I say that Tata Motors has a huge Chinese exposure, you'll understand it from this chart where I've shown you the geographical sales mix of Jaguar Land Rover. So North America accounts for 25% of all its sales. China accounts for 22% of all the Jaguar Land Rover sales, and the management expects that China market is going to beat the North America market in the next couple of years. So just understand the kind of exposure the whole company has on the Chinese market. If there's a sudden surge in the demand in the Chinese market, then obviously Tata Motors is going to go up. But God forbid if India and China start fighting on the border, then you know which stock is most likely to be affected there also. So that's the point of this video. I want you to take stock market decisions based on the business news, and you need to understand the basis for such changes that take place in the market. The second stock that I'll be talking about is VIP Industries. The current market price is 397 rupees. So VIP is into the manufacturing of travel and luggage accessories. In fact, VIP is the largest Indian manufacturer of luggage related accessories. If you look at the sourcing mix for VIP Industries, which means that the raw materials that they use, where do they get it from? And 88% of those raw materials are imported from China. Now just imagine the dependency that this particular stock will have on the Chinese market, and that's why this is another stock which has a huge amount of Chinese exposure and is very likely to be affected if the news coming from China is either good or bad. The third stock that we'll be talking about is Voltas. So Voltas is a manufacturer of air conditioners and specializes in cooling technology. The current market price of the share is 1000 rupees, and the reason that it has a huge Chinese exposure is very clear when you look at this chart. So the raw material imports in 2016 was at 90% for China. Imagine the amount of dependency that it had in the year of 2016. Come 2021, the raw materials are now imported from China, which account for 70% of the total imports. So while their dependency on China has reduced, Voltas still imports a lot of raw materials from China, and is very likely that any good or bad news coming from China is going to affect their stock prices. So these are the three stocks which will show the maximum upside or downside depending on how the news flows are from China. So I hope this was a valuable learning session for you. For more of such quality content, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.